Hi, I'm Kat. I'm from marketing department at Altro, and I'm here today with Roger Moore, who's our technical services manager. Roger, we've had a lot of questions coming in, so we just wanted to ask them to you. The one we've got today is, what are alternatives around cap and cove installations?
Right, well, obviously these are going to be temporary areas, so capping and coving would make it more permanent. So the idea of moving away from capping and coving is you could use a sit-on plastic skirting that come in 2 metre lengths, and you could just run them around the bottom of the frame that is stuck with contact. It's just a plastic skirting with a little foot on it. It's called a sit-on skirting. You could use that, or alternatively, using the white rock, you could bring the white rock straight down to the floor and then just silicone seal around the bottom of it.
Oh, fantastic. So there's definitely ways to do it for a temporary installation. Great, thank you so much, Roger. And if you've got any more questions, please send them in to inquiries@altro.com, and we'll do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.